Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Agenacraft. I wanted to address a controversy that just happened, and I wanted to address a few things regarding this Sandy business thingy. So many of you watched the video. I gave in, and I heard you, and I will pack up some sand, and I will send it to the people who want to buy some. Now, I just want to clarify a few things because I got some negative comments and this and that on that video, and yeah, let's just address it. So, the sand here is public property. It is usable by anyone. Anyone can pick it up. Anyone can do whatever the fuck with it. Now, what I'm doing is I'm going out to my beach, Marathonas, and if it's a not too windy day, then I find some spots where the waves wash out some kind of it's not the smooth sand and it's not the gravel sand, it's somewhere in between, and it's full of seashells. Teeny tiny, like millimeter sized seashells. And I go around the beach. Today it's pretty much impossible because the waves are so high that they wash the seashells under the fine sand. So collecting sand is ruined for a few days, but if I'm lucky, I get to an area similar to this, okay? And if you zoom in a little bit, you can find that there are a bunch of seashells, crustaceans, nice colorful stuff here on the beach, microplastics and everything in between. And what I do is I just only collect that, okay? And I walk down about a mile on this beach, and right now this is the only spot where I can get some. Okay, so collecting this sand is not that easy, as you might think. Like, I walk down with a fucking shovel and I just shovel it in the bucket and there it is. No, I need to find the right spot where the waves hit just right, so they clean out the pebble sand and they wash out the nice stuff. Okay, now then, what I do with this, I'll bring it home, I'll dry it out, then I clean it, disinfect it, get rid of all the biological material in it, and then bake it just to properly dry it out. And then I will pack it up into little packages, and I buy these special envelopes for it and everything, and I send it to the person who wants to buy it, okay? And that's it. I'm not exploiting nature. I'm not stealing from other people. I'm not stealing from the country. I'm not getting a fucking excavator here to dig out the entire beach. No, I'm collecting very specific sand in a very specific spot. And trust me, collecting a kilo of this, it's days' work. Because you collect some of it, then you have to wait for a few days. Okay, this is the only spot on my island where the shore is this shallow. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but if you look at it over there, everything is rocky, okay? You look at over there, everything is rocky, people are having fun, don't worry about that. So all I'm saying is, this is the only spot I can collect it, and I can only collect it when it gathers. And when the wind blows so hard, it blows the fine sand over it. The fine sand you can buy on Amazon for, I don't know, $5 a pound or some shit like that. No, this is hand collected by me. I actually go out of my way to scour it, go through this spiky, needly shit. I collect all the rubbish while I'm there because this is my home, okay? So don't tell me I'm exploiting nature, please, okay? And don't tell me I'm stealing, please, because this is gathering. And if you don't like it, you can unsubscribe from my channel, you can ban me, you can dislike me, whatever you want, but it's not gonna make it true, okay? Anyway, rant over. Holy fuck, entitled people. Yeah, so I collect this for my own needs, and now I'm sharing it with you. You can buy 250 grams for 30 euros, including shipping and packaging and cleaning and everything. and you can buy a kilo for 40 euros, because at that point the weight doesn't matter. It's just I need a few days to collect that much. Okay. Anyway, rant over. Uh, that's all I wanted to share with you, because this is just going out of hand, and I hate it when people accuse me of shit I don't actually do. Okay, you know me. I'm real. I'm not BSing around. And if you find problem with me actually putting in work, that's your problem. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I'm gonna collect some sand because Mars bought some and CL bought some, and I need to clean it and make it ready for them. Thank you very much for all your support. If you want to buy some sand from me for your arts and crafts, go ahead. You're gonna find the link below. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.